Hi, my name is Amol and welcome to the Let's Talk Now podcast. Today I'm giving you something extraordinary out of the world. This is the simple secret. If you understand this, if you can apply and you can use this tremendous energy in you, you will succeed anything, including English speaking. You need emotions to learn English fast. If there is one secret to success in anything, including learning English, it is emotion, not methods, not teachers, not books, emotions. With powerful, positive emotions, you can succeed at anything. I talk a lot about learning methods here in Let's Talk Now, and I believe we have the best English learning method in the world. But even the best method is useless without emotions. If you're bored, tired, or sad, you will not learn English well. This is how our brains work. Brains don't learn quickly when your emotions are mostly negative. Even if you use the very best learning methods and materials in the world, you will get poor results if your emotions are weak or negative.